All right, so I have 13-ish minutes until my lunch is over, and the keycaps came in, so I'm thinking I can complete all of this. This is what it looks like now. These are the stock keycaps. Oops, sorry. These are, oh, there we go. These are the stock keycaps. These are the ones I had before. So now we're gonna put on these ones. Oop. You'll see them. And hopefully I like them. If not, I'll have to return it. What I am gonna do is take a quick picture so that I know where everything goes. I'll speed this part up for you. Okay, I have 8 minutes.